Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I know that I have been slacking on the updates on my work, but I am working. This is currently what's on my bench. First, we have my first single bevel. It needs a little bit of work. The Orochi it's acceptable. I'm gonna tune it up some more. Yeah. These are not things that I'm going to be doing very commonly. I don't like grinding them. I don't have the right kind of surface plate to keep this flat like it needs. So the tip always ends up wrong, and it takes a lot of handwork to correct. I have as much work in this knife as in all three of these knives together at this level. So just to kind of give you an idea. But it is really cool, and I've actually, even with the edge like it is, I've put it through some food, and it's a neat knife. It's definitely different for me. Next we have Mark Dixon's Beast. This is 250 millimeters roughly, 57 millimeter on the heel, and it is an extra heavy. This is going to be a monster. I mean, you can see the difference in the tang thickness between this and Al's knife here. So, yeah, this is a monster. It's been ground. I've actually cut apples with it already. That's why it's kind of dirty. It needs the spine rounded, choil rounded, and polished, and it's ready for a handle. Mark and I have been going back and forth over that for the last 24 hours or so. But she's beautiful. I love the Hitatsura, I guess you'd pronounce it. Just crazy hamon all over the place. Those are my favorite kind. Little bit of a pattern, but otherwise just wild. So there's Mark's. Al Large, this is his beauty. This one also is ground. It needs a little bit more taken off the edge on the grinder. Actually, not really. I'll be polishing that out by hand to get that last little bit out. Again, this is in the same place as this. Needs spine and choil rounded and polished, and it's ready for a handle. In the course of that, I'll also be taking down the tang on both of them and everything. But yeah, so there's that. A lot of activity in this one too. Then we have Joe Panfil's knife. This thing is really interesting. The hamon on it is just crazy. You can see all the activity up above the hamon, all the activity in the hamon, or in the edge steel. This is at 40 grit, so a lot of areas like in here, you'll see it looks like the hamon dips all the way down. It doesn't. It just needs cleaned up. That's activity. Like down here, you see it's close to the edge. This is also an extra heavy. This is a 240 millimeter knife. This is going to be. That music got loud. But you can actually see the clay layout in the spine still. It's really, really trippy. Again, this one's going to be crazy, lot of activity, a lot like Warren's knife. This one's going to have stuff everywhere. Still needs his approval. If he likes it, then if not, this is my last piece of the extra heavy material that's not earmarked for customers. So I can't just redo this knife. If he doesn't like it, we'll reharden it. It's still got enough material on the edge for that. So I like it myself. I'd finish it out personally, but I have a love for knives with the spots everywhere. So, but anyway, there we go. This is what's on my bench right now, and my long delayed update for you guys. You can actually see the difference in height between these. This one's a 50 millimeter, 50, 57. Yep. Anyhow, there you guys go. Thanks for looking.